Agya Koo to metena radio do kadama asemi che. Ghana your first president Dr. Kwame Nkrumah tey.
Chame, atiefo Agya Koo say aman panifo masisu wa Ghana ha nyina. Oh, Kwame Nkrumah dey say wa me ye wo so wa anya hutezi mani bema. Mere bale. So wa yi wa anya hwe.
Eduma obi e kura nuru tenu. Abrofo na aye. Ana obi bi se be 9. Opa amampanifo ne kan kire wo. Say be 9 nkono ma wo mo hye dan kire say yemfe say yem bo Kwame Nkrumah adwuma no. Obeye bi but abrofo na asi dan.
DJ Paco Rich.
Hello, Ebusia one free ye yembra was any dream. One training play. Nabakaden champion attire when there you got commander fire. Uja. A higher fancy YouTuber. And Mama Kwaba, if for first time in a video or ham, let's shout about Mozana subscribe and ya treat them on coming. Now better week here when Agya Koo trend the pa waruchana rapai. Just because they or I would do under Danny be fair wokumase, but yeah number one critique over Ghana bongo ideas. But China Adrian of Agya Koo down there, Dan is the Osabo Somadan, a diner city galefu or dine painting in your face in a design ye a bowl away crab. But yamu bebre, we were not happy. Mankasa personally, me see the bongo waka the masaman. Man, shall I get too happy because in me feel the Agya Koo you be a wabo brak when him na sende we tum we sinifie them I mean previous actors are yenyim hon obi bosha na oza awo ho za akọ wi na was na picture about to TV do na was series kana azemanen nezen ankaba na dam na so we tum esidana. And we have to respect his achievements and also encourage him. Na ama obisu we chira we tumwa yebi. Na so muhu da nkwafo ware so pe no what there wakeka wana adwencha wonen. I came up with I was very disappointed to see a legend being treated this way. But me ya shishemu na muhu de no. Anything I was there Agya Koo no, he deserves it. The disrespect that they are showing Agya Koo no, now we pave way for that. Same hear me again. The disrespect in our trolls. In a nyimtia wasn't bu Agya Koo no nankasa na we twa da mokwana ato because Agya Koo to metena radio do kadama asemi che Ghana your first president Dr. Kwame Nkrumah tey.
Chame, atiefo Agya Koo say aman panifo masisu wa Ghana ha nyina. Oh, Kwame Nkrumah dey say wa me ye wo so wa anya hutezi mani bema. Mere bale. So wa yi wa anya hwe.
Eduma obi e kura nuru tenu. Abrofo na aye. Ana obi bi se be 9 opa amampanifo ne kan kire wo say be 9 nkono ma wo mo hye dan kire say yemfe say yem bo Kwame Nkrumah adwuma no obeye bi but abrofo na asi dan
Ochame atief
before Ochame na nkadofo no wabotwe den wama mankasa kakra. I mean big shout out to Angel FM for them video na Kweku Menu TV. So Agya Koo ni referee na ho dem some years back or granting interview or disrespecting the first president of Ghana, Dr. Osajofo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, ne achievement. I mean, say Ghana, yeah, yet me. Up to now, ninga mo ye na yaze hwa ye ho. Nzimanya Brent Osajofo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the pride of the West. Na debi adamana na kase mi the what's the bayo na bu one tomb. Was the bayo nabu, them know they close some, they know they shut out. That's my American. Now, a quote today will be no bisu warokwan. Sometimes men be said, oh, no, ya would then be sent there. A down on, no, ya would then. You understand? If Agya Koo you paying the mutsa dawo, etum eboy one on akadama asemi there. Kwame Nkrumah mbo brebia na wanye hwe amagana. Na amampanyufo a wa bagana na Akufo Addo no na enum na we ayaze papa Achan Dr. Kwame Nkrumah elibility obi ne hard work na so ese wodana afraba sabe room mpo on rent another cement mpo on tobin. I'm not encouraging disrespect another damazin, but oyam fatu na America there men cement the bayawo papa no the man a waso ebeye penyina what's bayo. So when you are saying things about people, when you are disrespecting people, be very, very, very careful. When you wonder what, because the master me king ankasan, sabi obi na dream dobia te obonhu de no papai. Sabi American or fucking things. It makes no sense to put Dr. Kwame Nkrumah out there. That Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ne achievements or you bogus. Na akosombo dami ya ye enjoy in the lights up to now we. In your name faribai. Tamamoto we ya a man paying for about an do bien to me ye anything better or and I want to one repair employee. What size are? Talk of factories. Factories are Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ye ni naran. Other than that, Matun da mu factory say am binu mu waza ya aswar za wobotona ma brofo na azin na watun waza mo hon. And you sit down when you say this na wakera woda na ya no sankukọ bu a era we izaro ho se afroba bitina baby no wakera woda na esi na onye fewa mama onye wo because Ziwenye wejen ama wankasa so wanda na warwa asase do sabi Agya Koo Kwame Nkrumah onyewu age mate. So you can't follow your political stomach and follow political feelings na azina in disrespect to bia like that. Zedzi the first president of Ghana na some careful one. So na seed the seed you sowed on a wafe phone on one searching a ringan. Papa Drenish Shakan. Let this be a very great lesson to you, Agya Koo. May you adisunya nyansa someone that would swim, so that you can be very mindful of the things you say today. Because you can't sit and say lies like this about people who have achieved so much for Ghana and expect that the same Ghanaian youth will celebrate your little achievement. Our achievement in the Puene year no wala was it. But what Kwame Nkrumah did was for all of us. And you can sit down and say this.
Achebe, etiefo Agya Koo say aman panifu omatisu wa Ghana ha nyina Kwame Nkrumah dia say wa me yawi wo so wa anya hutezi mani bema mere bale so wa yi wa anya hwe
eduma obi e kura nuru tenu abrofo na aye ana obe yi bi se be nine opa aman panifu no kan kire wo say be nine nkono ma wo mo hye dan kire say yem fe say yem bo Kwame Nkrumah adwuma no obe ye bi but abrofo na asi dan
yeah, I say the internet no they lie. Internet are summon yo wadoda. So I can't if you de tremukona ray from one and there on a what's a referral note what I'm on for one we faka sampa. Marsha we ye phone home marsha zebenya ne fen jina baby in fen za sem. Fan cancer ma inyim adza yen na yenye tuare pepe wa abo no ho modern tema kono osi wani nyina rempol Nkrumah na ochichere. I'm very disappointed in you, Agya Koo. What say me be me can me be defendo me mpo wie but I'm a me say sifum I'm a masafim na yi fa ya adesua from wara wo ho the what's by your abu one tomb. Missing your park or rich, obi biara or share them video. Mamu who adventure, what you think about this? If feel that Agya Koo Zorken you know, who feel that more can so I fucking things I make we know because we are or you kukra or kwa and we be see nature beam. I have a fancy YouTube. Bomazana subscribe na. Bomazana click link here. Show Facebook na za. Pocho bomazana koshe full video no wo oye YouTube na kakama mbra na yentum yenye juma. Makra wana missing a DJ Park or Rich. I am out of here.
DJ Park or Rich.